Hello everyone, I am Miss Divya Verma again with you all, Faculty of Social Science, Class 7, Mount Literacy School, Jhansi. Students, hope so you all are staying at home and staying safe. Okay, students, we have covered till now in video lectures the chapter number 1 of history and chapter number 1 of civics in the previous video lectures. Hope so you all are going through the website of NCERT books. Try to do the exercises of of the chapters we have covered till now from the NCERT books. Okay. Students, today we will be going through the chapter 1 of geography, that is chapter 1, environment. Okay, students, environment term is derived from a French word that is environner, which means neighborhood. It's a kind of, we can say, a basic life support system which is affected by its people, place, things, nature, and the natural surrounding. So, as a result, we can say that environment include natural as well as man-made phenomena. Okay, let me tell you one more thing, that on 5th of June, that is on 5th of June, worldwide World Environment Day is celebrated. Okay, now let us see a story related to the environment topic. Okay, so listen it. There was a boy named Ravi. After his long vacations, he was going to school. He noticed that the playground next to his school was dug up. There, people told him that building will be constructed there. After listening, he started crying as he would be never seeing this playground again. He shared this to his classmates. There only in school, while assembly was going on, the principal too observed the same thing and said that how our environment is changing. Then afterwards, in the class, Ravi asked his teachers, "What is environment?" Teacher said, "Whatever you see in your surrounding is the environment." Ravi said, "That teacher, it means the school, building, table, chair, garbage, road, friends. Are these all a part of environment?" Teacher said, "Yes, but in the surrounding, some objects are created by nature, like river, trees, mountains, animals, etc. And some made by people, for example, roads, car, clothes, etc." Okay, so students, hope so by this story you came to know about that environment is classified into two parts: natural environment and human made environment. Natural environment also consists of biotic and abiotic factors. Okay, so let us talk about environment. Can be said that it refers to the surrounding in which living and non-living things exist. It is also considered as our basic life support system. It consists of air we breathe, water we drink, food we eat, and land we live. Now, why our environment is changing? Let us know. Have you ever thought about this? Okay, so it's all because of our needs. These needs are increasing day by day. Therefore, we are modifying as well as destroying our natural environment. Okay, students, now let us start with the components of environment. Components of environment, there are three types of three components: natural, man-made, and human environment. But before going to man-made and human environment, let us talk about natural environment, natural component of the environment. In simple words, we can say natural component consists of land, water, air. That is, we can also say lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere. All these three when merged forms the biosphere, when living organism can exist in the life or life can exist. Let me tell you, when these lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere interact with living or biotic, there comes a zone of ecosystem. Okay, these natural environment can be further divided into biotic and abiotic. Biotic is where life exists, and abiotics where there is no life as non-living thing exists. In abiotic, there comes lithosphere, atmosphere, and hydrosphere. Now, lithosphere, it is the solid rock surface of the earth. It provides cover for the existence of the living being such as plants, animals, humans. It also provides soil for agriculture, minerals. It is also divided into oceanic lithosphere and continental lithosphere. Continental crust is thicker than the oceanic crust, means average thickness of continental crust is about 35-40 kilometer, and the thickness of oceanic is 7 to 10 kilometer. Now hydrosphere is what? Hydrosphere, let us say, it refers to the water present on earth's surface. It covers all water bodies like rivers, ocean, sea. Now atmosphere, it is the mixture of gases that surrounds the earth. It sustains life by providing different light supporting gases. Atmosphere also protect earth from harmful ultraviolet rays coming from the sun, and it also regulates the temperature of the sun. Okay, as it protects us from harmful ultraviolet rays, so it also regulates the temperature of the earth. Okay, now students, in this session we have covered about environment and its first component, that is natural environment. And this natural component, under this natural component comes biotic and abiotic factors, and in abiotic we have talked here about lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. So here we have studied about the first component and its details, that is natural component. Next session we will be covering up human made and human. Okay, this is a short assignment you can do at home. Okay, thank you. Next session we will be going through the other two components of environment. Okay.